There's a sense of community service because you see the smiles on those people's faces. So you never know who you're gonna meet with, you never know who you're gonna help, and you never know what problem you can really run into.
It's a really community-based company. I just believe in doing things for the community as opposed to just a corporate environment. I was affiliated with Tech Exchange by doing an internship program with them. I think the key benefits on working at Tech Exchange would be getting your personal skills up because it's a really community-based company. They go out and collect items that are being recycled. Yeah, there's somebody's leftovers in a sense, but when we bring them back to our office and back to the warehouse, we make sure to take extra good care of them. That way we can get them ready for the next person. If you want to just get more familiar with IT as a whole and kind of start with a job that's not so technical and start from the beginning and build your people skills up and overall build your career goals up, I would definitely recommend Tech Exchange.
My name is Anthony Machado, and I was an intern at Tech Exchange. One of the benefits that I gained working through the intern program was basically communicating and learning a connection with my colleagues along there. One of the skills that I've particularly learned from Tech Exchange was actually what I do now on a daily basis. Currently, I am employed at Ubisoft Inc., of course, which is a huge video game developer. And one of the things that we actually do there is boot a lot of the laptops and workstations. I feel like within the month that I've been around Oakland and of course being around the Bay Area, it's really interconnected me more of within the IT and just helping out those families, seeing the smile on their faces. That's the sense of happiness that I feel whenever I'm with Tech Exchange because I know that they're getting their homework done, they're finding out information, and one thing for sure is they're doing great in school, and that's the greatest thing for me.
My name is Joel Pena. I'm the Director of Strategic Partnerships for Tech Exchange. We currently host about 20 to 30 students throughout the year with internship opportunities. Our interns, along with refurbishing computers, they get the opportunity to put those computers in the hands of the folks that we're serving. So I think it completes the circle with seeing the fruits of their labor. Oftentimes we find that the interns, once they move on, they very much value that relationship that they built at Tech Exchange. It's very rewarding to be part of our internship program because you see the development of somebody when they come in and they really just don't know what they want to do. But it is fulfilling to see them on their way, and it also gives me the motivation to know that somebody is coming like they came and to know that there's an end goal for them as well too.